This is the question, and the question, it says solve the equation. So I've got A, B, C, and D. So let's try to solve. And these are the types of question which comes where it says solve the equation. So number one, it is saying x to the power 1 over 3 equal to what? 4. So and the question, it says what? Solve the equation. So what do? You copy the equation, which is x 1 over 3 equal to what? 4. And the question says solve the equation. So you say x 1 over 3. So what is the opposite of 1 over 3? The opposite of 1 over 3, it's just 3. So you say times 3 equal to 4. The same opposite of 1 over 3, which is 3, you put it also there as a power. So that you eliminate this and this. You remain with x to the power 1 is equal to 4 to the power 3. You know that there is no need of saying x to the power 1. If it's just 1, you just say x equal to. So here 4 to the power 3 means multiply 4 how many times? 3. 4 times 4 times 4. So you say, what is 4 times 4? What is 4 times 4? What is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So x is equal to 64. This is how you find the A. We come to B. B, it says solve the equation x minus 1 close open 2x minus 5 close equal to 0. So you say x minus 1 open 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So once you see equation, it's like this and it's equal to 0, you just remove them outside the brackets, which is x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Have you seen? So here you say x is equal to 0. It was negative 1, becomes what? Positive 1. Or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. This side 2x is equal to, it was a negative 5, becomes what? Positive 5. So you divide both by 2. You eliminate this. So x is equal to, how many times can 2 go into 5? It goes 2, remainder 1 over 2. You end there. We come to number 3. Number which is C. C, it is saying 8 to the power x is equal to 128. And the question says solve the equation. So you have to make these numbers to have the same base. What do I mean? They should have the same number so that you eliminate the bases. So in which other way can you write 8? So the other way of writing 8, it is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 simply means multiply 2 3 times and you get what? 8. And don't forget that there is x, so you attach x. Equals. Also this one, you write the same base, which is 2. Now you look for a number that when you say 2 to the power something, when you multiply 2 to the power the number you have put here, you should get 128. So what number is that? When you put it here, you should get 128. The number is 7. So when you multiply 2 7 times, you get 128. So have you seen the bases? They are the same. So you eliminate them. You remain with 3x is equal to 7. Now, since they said solve the equation, you divide both by 3, also there by 3. You eliminate this and this. So x is equal to, how many times can 3 go into 7? It goes 2, remainder 1 over 3. You end here. We come to D. D, it says solve the equation, which is 8 to the power x minus 1 equal to 16. So it will be 8 to the power x minus 1 equal to 16. So you have to make these numbers to have the same base. Or which other way can you write 8 without affecting the number? So it is 2 to the power 3, you open, which is x minus 1 equal to. So 2 to the power 3 is the same as 8. When you multiply 2 3 times, you get what? 8. Also here, what? You know that the base always you put is 2 and the base should be the same. Now, which number can you put here so that when you multiply 2, you multiply it using the power you have put here, you should get 16. So it is 4. Have you seen? So if you put 4 there as a power, when you multiply 2 4 times, you should get what? 16. So the bases, they are the same. Have you seen? You eliminate, you have remained with 3. So what is 3 times x? It's 3x minus 3 times 1, it's 3, equal to what? 4. So here it's 3x is equal to what? 4. This one, it was negative 3 because it says solve the equation. It was negative 3. Once it crosses the equal sign, becomes what? Positive 3. So 3x is equal to 4 plus 3, it's 7. You divide both sides by 3. You eliminate. So how many times can 3 go into 7? It goes 2, remainder 1 over 3. Thank you very much for following. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos.